Manual work is silently killing businesses. Not because founders are lazy, but because they're trapped doing everything themselves. Answering emails, updating docs, copy-pasting data, recording content over and over again. And here's the hard truth. In 2026, if your business still relies on manual processes, you're not scaling, you're stalling. Today, I'm breaking down 3 AI-powered tools that modern founders are using to replace chaos with leverage and scale faster with fewer people. Let's get straight into it. Tool number 1, Notion. Most businesses don't fail because of bad ideas. They fail because information is scattered everywhere. Google Docs, Slack messages, spreadsheets, random notes. Notion fixes this by becoming your single source of truth. But in 2026, Notion isn't just a note-taking app. It's an AI-powered operating system for your business. With Notion AI, you can auto-summarize meetings, generate SOPs in seconds, turn raw ideas into structured plans, build dashboards for teams, content, sales, and operations. Instead of asking, "Where is that file? What's the latest version?" your team just knows. This alone can save 10 to 20 hours per week per person, and time is the only resource you can't buy more of. Tool number 2, Make.com. This is where businesses separate from amateurs. Make is an automation engine that connects your tools and lets them work without you. Think of it as hiring a 24/7 digital operations manager. Here's what founders are automating with Make. New leads automatically added to CRM. Invoices triggering onboarding emails, customer data syncing across platforms, AI-generated reports sent every morning. No coding, no technical background, just logic. If you're still copying data between apps, you're paying an invisible tax on growth. Automation doesn't replace people, it replaces repetition. And repetition is the enemy of scale. Tool number 3, ElevenLabs. In 2026, content is leverage, but creating it manually doesn't scale. ElevenLabs lets you generate human-level AI voiceovers for YouTube videos, ads, audiobooks, courses, podcasts. This isn't robotic text-to-speech. This is emotion, pacing, tone. Founders are using ElevenLabs to turn blog posts into audio content, clone their own voice for brand consistency, produce content at 10 times speed. If your ideas are stuck in your head or trapped in text, you're under-leveraging them. Voice scales trust, and trust scales businesses. Let's be clear, these tools won't magically make you successful, but they will remove friction, bottlenecks, and wasted effort. And in 2026, the winners aren't the ones working harder. They're the ones building systems that work for them. If you want to try these tools for yourself, check the links in the description below. This is how modern businesses scale. This is HyperScale AI.